Hello, friends. Welcome to Learn English Through Story, your fun and easy way to improve English by listening to stories. Today's story is The Clever Fox. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Once upon a time, there was a clever fox. He lived in a forest. One day, the fox was very hungry. He looked for food. He walked and walked, but found nothing. Then he saw a crow. Crow was sitting on a tree. She had a piece of bread. The fox wanted the bread. He had an idea. He said to the crow, "Hello, beautiful crow. You sing so well. Can you sing for me?" Crow was happy. She opened her beak to sing. The bread fell down. The fox picked up the bread. He laughed and ran away. The crow was sad, but she learned a lesson. Don't trust sweet words.